up with these license plates?
I don't know, man. That's crazy, man. I wouldn't even imagine to do some crazy stuff like that, man. I couldn't tell you anything. I don't know, man. That's
what do you
crazy.
really think about these other shops in the 305, man? The work ethic down here in South Florida.
I don't talk bad on nobody, but I know I wouldn't do no stuff like that, man. Never in a million years, man. That's wild. Yeah, so I got this El Camino here. Customer dropped it off. Get Fit Jit on Instagram. Basically, got to make these 13-inch wide wheels fit on here. So, you know, process for that would be frame notch, rear end shortening. We're going ladder bars on this. Yeah, so basically, rear end has to be shortened. Got to make clearance for the rims to fit here on the on the quarter panel. So once that's done, we got to put new axles in. We're gonna have new axles, some new Moser axles, and we're also gonna have to notch it a bit, make some clearance for the rims. He's gonna get a tub, some nice little tubs to make clearance for the squat. This car's gonna be squatted, so we need clearance up top. Put some nice tubs on there.
Hey, my name is Andy from Fresh Welds. Right now we're working on this little back panel on this dunk right here. We like to make everything come to factory, so we are going ahead and removing all the factory spot welds to go ahead and install this new pan right there. We like everything to look factory. We don't want you to come across and take off the paint or Bondo and then see layers of metal on top of each other. We want you to notice no repairs, such as this right here. Fresh did this part right here. If you want, we could come along the other side on this side. Hasn't been repaired yet. This was a repair from another company. You can see how they're the repairs. Metal on top of metal, Bondo trying to fill it up.
What's up
Great
with the
difference.
deck?
The speaker deck, his was rotted out, so we went ahead and put him in a new one. It's almost fully installed, just gotta finish up the welds right there. And then gonna repair this channel right here for the rain, for the weather strip. Once this is all done, I'll go ahead and line this back up for his trunk to make sure his trunk fits in perfect. All of this got accurate measurements, factory measurements, to ensure that the trunk is gonna line up perfectly.